Are you an upcoming artist looking to perfect your craft? The Nelson Mandela Bay Municipality is calling on all upcoming local writers and illustrators to submit their work, as the city will be hosting a 2-week creative writing and illustration workshop from the 20th of March 2023.
The workshop seeks to promote upcoming writers and illustrators, refining their skills of writing and selling their work. There is a lot of work that needs to be done in illustrating work and making sure that we reach the target groups and improve our youth's ability to write and illustrate.
To be considered, submit a 1-paragraph motivation and a short story suitable for foundation phase readers. Illustrators must also submit a 2/3 narrative illustration not bigger than an A4 page.
Applications will be closing on the 23rd of March, which is on a Thursday, and they are submitted online or via email to pmgadi@Mandela Metro. You may also get hold of her on her cell phone, which is 079 694 0637.